Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick practical guide on sorting your Dropbox files by the modified date, so you can always find what you've most recently updated without the guesswork. This updated approach works across the latest Dropbox app layouts, keeping you organized and efficient. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. If you're switching between devices, take a moment to ensure you're signed in to the right account so you don't miss any changes. Next, tap the Files option at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll see all your folders and documents laid out in a clean, scrollable list. The Files view is designed to be intuitive, so you can quickly spot folders, shared items, and favorites without digging through menus. Now look for the Sort icon at the top left corner of the screen. It's the tool you'll use to reorder your list according to what matters most to you. Tap this icon to reveal your sorting choices. In most recent updates, Dropbox gives you a few options like name, size, type, and date. The key one you want here is modified. Choose modified. Once you select this option, your files will rearrange to show the most recently changed items at the top. This makes it incredibly easy to pick up work you were editing, collaborate on the latest version, or open a file that you just saved from another device. If you notice a file's date isn't reflecting your latest change, don't panic. Sometimes changes on a synced device may take a moment to appear due to network delays. A quick refresh or pulling down the list to refresh can usually resolve this. If you're working offline, Dropbox will sync your local edits the moment you reconnect to the internet. A few quick tips to keep you ahead. For ongoing projects, pin important folders to the top of files for faster access, then sort modified, so you always see recent activity first. If you share a folder, remember that the modified date can reflect changes made by collaborators as well, which is great for tracking progress in teamwork. On smaller screens, you might find the sort icon tucked in a slightly different position, but the path remains the same. Files, sort, modified. That's all there is to it. With these simple taps, you'll always have your most recent edits front and center, making collaboration smoother and your workflow much faster. If you got a favorite Dropbox tip that helps you stay organized, I'd love to hear about it in the comments.